so high, feathers bright in the light, gliding through the blue, oh what a sight. Flap, flap, flap your wings, listen to the song they sing. Up above where dreams take flight, birds are dancing in the sunlight. From the trees they take a leap, in the sky secrets they keep. Swooping down then up they go, through the clouds they always know. Flap, flap, flap your wings, listen to the song they sing. Up above where dreams take flight, birds are dancing in the sunlight. Look at them, how free they are, flying near and flying far. In the sky they find their way, playing games all through the day. Birds of color, shapes and size, watch them as they mesmerize. Flying high in the sky, singing songs, oh my, oh my. Flap, flap, flap your wings, flap your wings, listen to the song they sing. Up above where dreams take flight, birds are dancing in the sunlight. So let's pretend and spread our arms, fly like birds, free from harm. In our dreams we'll touch the sky, just like birds we'll learn to fly.